Welcome back. This is the series of class 9 mathematics and this is the next video. Please subscribe the channel for regular updates. So we continue with the topic representation of set. Set can be represented in three forms. Those are descriptive form, set builder form or rule form, roster form or tabular form. So I'll explain you all the forms. First, descriptive form. In descriptive form, the sets are described in words. Example for this, set of all the vowels in English alphabet. So as you say set of all the vowels in English alphabet, it is A, E, I, O, U, everyone knows it. But we will write this in descriptive form in words. The set of all vowels in English alphabet, the sentence. The set of whole numbers. So we know the whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we have to write this in the form of statement. The set, every time we write, we start with the set of whole numbers. Okay. Now, the second part. The second part is set builder or rule form. In set builder form, all the elements are described by rule. The rules are. So in this, we will see the same example. First, we will write the set A. Sets are always written with capital letter. Okay, set A is equals to, in flower braces, we will introduce a value called x, the variable. This variable is x is a vowel in English alphabet. So all the element will be represented by x. And the sign in between, the ratio sign, it indicates such that, the word such that. So either we can use ratio sign or we can use the horizontal line. X, the vertical line, x is a whole number. Okay. Then we come to roster form. So the roster form, we write all the elements. A is a set, the elements are A, E, I, O, U. The set can be described by listing all the elements in the set. Here we will list all the elements A, E, I, O, U and B. So we know that there are only 5 elements. So we will write this as A, E, I, O, U. But here there are so many numbers of whole number. Those are 0, 1, 2, 3. And we will not write all the numbers here. We will represent by dots. Okay. Now we come to the activity 2. So this is very important activity. For learning the forms of sets, we are given with the question and we have to write in 2 other forms. Okay. So the question given to us is the set of all natural number less than 10. So we know natural number starts with 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we have to write the set builder form first. So first we will write a capital A equal to, it is a set. We start with the flower braces. So writing the flower braces. Then we write, introduce x. X is a set of all natural number less than 10. So the complete statement is A is equals to set flower braces x such that x is a set of all natural number less than 10. Now we write roster form. In roster form, we have to write all the elements. So it starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because it is given less than 10, so we will write from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We write this as set A. Now the second set is given to us. X is a multiple of 3 where x belongs to natural number. This n stands as natural number. Capital N stands as natural number. So first we will write in descriptive form. So we will write this in the sentence as the set of all natural number as multiple of 3. So we represent this by sentence. Then this is the question. Then we have to write the roster form and we have to write all the elements. So now you can see B is the set and the elements are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and dots. Okay. Next we are given with roster form 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So these are all even numbers less than 12 or first 5 even numbers we can write. So I have written this set of first 5 even numbers. So this is, because it is third question, we have already used A and B, so we write C. C x, x is the first 5 even number. Next, question number activity 4. The set of all days in a week. So we can write this as D x such that x is set of all days in a week. Okay, then we have to write all. D is equals to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, because the place is very less, so I am writing only the first 3 letters. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, now as you can see for serial number 5, as you can see these are all given as integers. So first we write the set of all integers. E we can use x, x is set of all integers. Okay, so we are given with the activity 2 is being completed. Okay, please share among your friends. You can complete this activity during this home quarantine period. Thank you. Subscribe the channel for latest update.